Hey, so let's take a look at this crypto arbitrage. So let's see how you can actually make money using this simple spot market arbitrage trading. But before then, I want to explain what is crypto arbitrage. Crypto arbitrage is simply buying low and selling high from one crypto exchange to another, or buy low and sell high of different crypto assets without losing anything. So stay with me, guys. Don't skip any part of this video, because if you do, you might miss important part of this video. Finally, please, I am not your financial advisor. Note that I am not your financial advisor. Before you indulge into any crypto trading, please do your own research. And if this is your first time of coming across my video, I want to say a very big warm welcome. And what we do in this channel is to teach people how to make money online, crypto update, airdrop update, and forex trading, because we'll be organizing live forex trading. So in this 2025, we will be talking about mainly how to make money online and so on and so forth. So firstly, the first thing you need to do is your Kucion account. Make sure your account is verified. So what you have to do now is go to spot trading. Look for where you see buy and sell button. You see the price and your order book, the price you want to buy and sell. This is not future trading. There is a difference between future trading and spot trading. Now let me explain. In spot trading, you cannot trade long and you cannot trade short. But in future trading, you can buy long or short. So if you buy an asset, it means acquiring an asset. And if you sell an asset, it means disposing an asset. Now, to make money, it depends on where you buy and sell. If you buy at a cheaper rate and sell at a higher rate, you are making profit. You are making profit automatically. So that is that. Let's go to the market right here and check on the amount of stable coin that is in this platform. We have USDT, DAI, and USDC. This is very important, you guys. This is very important, guys. So let's take a look at the price of BTC, USDC, BTC, DAI, BTC, USDC. So take a look at the price of BTC, USDT. We have $97,738. We have BTC, DAI. We have $97,558 or DAI. And BTC USDC, we have $97,689 or USDC. As you can see, the market is moving, so let's go ahead and check on BTC DAI. If you are to buy BTC DAI at $97,558, or let's say you buy at this price and you go to BTC USDT and you sell at 97,786. So let's do the math now. 97,786 minus 97,558. For this particular trade, you are making $228, and you can continue doing this as long as the option is still available. You can do this up to 20 times and you will be making $4,560. Let's go to BTC USDC. If you buy at this price and sell at 97,886, let's do the math again. 97,886 minus 97,766 is equals to $60. You are making $60, and if you do this 20 times, you will be making $1,200. We all know that BTC price is higher. Let's look at ETH, which is Ethereum. ETH DAI, ETH USDT, ETH USDC. At this rate, so far, if you buy one ETH DAI at 3,577 and sell ETH USDT at 3,587. So 3,581 minus 3,577 is equals to $4. So if you are able to trade up to 20 times, it equals to $80. Guys, isn't this amazing? See, you are going to make huge money if you continue doing this, as long as the opportunity is still available. So see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share it with your friends and family. See you guys.